Sorry for the shake, you guys. Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her itty bitty Ross haul. I went to Ross today. Today is my day off, so I went out to do some errands and decided to pull by Ross real quick with no agenda, no idea of what I wanted to get. Really, these days off are like not healthy, especially if you don't have it filled with doctor appointments. You'll be out there shopping for no apparent reason. You have no kind of agenda or idea or notion of why you're in these stores. And this would be the main reason about this little mini shop. I would have came out with more, but I restrained myself a lot, and I'm kind of still proud of what I got. I spent $60 at Ross, but I got a couple of things that I know I definitely needed to have available for fall. So it's almost like a pre-planning thing that I did, and I was luckily able to find this product because they didn't have the size that I needed. It was like the last one. So it was a good thing that I went today. So let me show you the 3 items. I'll show you the first 2 that I have here. I went and got another pot, but this one is to help with me. This is $8.99. This is a regular, easy, pretty, non-stick coating pan, but I'm gonna get into making soup to you guys. I need to learn how to make tomato soup, mushroom soup, broccoli soup. Soup is good for the body, and I need to learn how to do that in a small form. So I went and got this pot here, and that's probably what I'll be doing for fall, is just to do small soups in between for like lunch and things of that nature. And also grits. Here's my other pot for grits. It sticks to the bottom, so this should be able to be our new grit pan where it's not going to stick on the bottom. And this was for $8.99. Remember, I only bought 3 things. And when I got sandals, Roxy, I love Roxy. You guys already know I am obsessed with the brand. These were for $7.99. I am going to Jamaica, so I got these for Jamaica. It's a good reason for that investment. And the last item, oops, right here, the other receipts, will be this. I got myself a king size Mulberry Street 5-piece comforter set. This one includes the comforter, the 2 shams, and the 2 decorative pillows. And this is in a nice dark gray. This is for fall, you guys. I do switch out the comforters. This was really nice. It's a nice gray color to it with a nice design. I did enjoy it. I love the design of this particular set, so I went and grabbed it. And this one cost $39.99. So that was a great deal from Ross. It was a very good find. I was thrilled to find it, so I wasn't too mad about walking into Ross with no kind of agenda, and was able to still accomplish a couple of things. That was my miniature, tiny, itty bitty Ross haul, you guys. I will talk to you guys very soon and keep you guys posted on other hauls. Talk to you guys later. Bye.